Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate celebration theme on Facebook Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for Messenger and update your Messenger application. So once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open Messenger application. From here, you need to select any conversation and click on this icon in the top right. From here you need to click on theme, and from here you need to scroll down and select the celebration theme and click on select. So now you can see that celebration theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.